back to this week's key market summary. I'm Talk Stocks with me, and today we'll dive into the key highlights and performance trends across major financial instruments, including the US large cap stocks, the small cap stocks, the Nasdaq, the Canadian market, the Nigerian market, the oil commodity, and Bitcoin. Before I get into this video, I would like to give a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. The content of my video represents my personal opinions and is provided for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. This information is not intended to be legal, financial, or an investment advice. As always, conduct your own research and due diligence before making any financial decisions. Remember, it's your money. Make informed decisions that are right for you. I'll never ask you for money, nor will I provide my phone number or personal email address. If you encounter any suspicious accounts or messages claiming to be me, please report them immediately as fake or scam accounts. Let's start our summary with the US large cap stocks, mirrored by the financial instrument VTWO. This week, the week-to-date performance stands at plus 0.97%. Year-to-date, VTWO has delivered a positive 29.20% change compared to the previous year's overall 26.32% change. From a short-term perspective, on the daily time frame, the outlook is bullish. On the weekly time frame, the mid-term outlook points to a bullish trend. Next, the Nasdaq, tracked by the QQQ, recorded a week-to-date change of positive 3.28%. The year-to-date performance was positive 29.12 performance compared to the previous year overall change of 54.86. The daily time frame suggests that an uptrend is emerging in the short term, while the weekly chart suggests that also an uptrend is emerging in the mid-term. The US small cap stocks, tracked using VTWO as a proxy, saw a weekly movement of negative 1.24%. Year-to-date, VTWO has a positive 20.27% change compared to the previous year overall positive 17.08% change. In the short term, the daily time frame shows a bullish trend in the short term. The mid-term outlook from the weekly charts also points to a bullish trend in the mid-term. For Canadian equities represented by VCN, this week's performance is positive 0.27%. The year-to-date change figure is 26.65% compared to last year's overall 12.29% change. Short-term analysis on the daily time frame indicates a bullish trend, while the mid-term analysis on the weekly chart also shows a bullish trend. Switching to the Nigerian stock market tracked by the ASI, the All Share Index, the week-to-date change stands at positive 0.72%. Year-to-date, the ASI has seen a performance of positive 31.34% versus last year's 45.90% change. On the daily chart, we are observing a bearish short-term trend. Same analysis using the weekly time frame also suggests a sideways movement. Furthermore, the oil commodity, tracked by USO, recorded a weekly change of negative 1.91%. Year-to-date, oil prices, tracked by USO, has moved 5.39% compared to last year's overall negative minus 4.94%. The daily chart shows a bearish trend in the short term, while the weekly time frame also points to a bearish trend in the mid-term. Finally, Bitcoin, tracked by VTWO, recorded a weekly change of negative 2%. Year-to-date, VTWO has moved 123.87% compared to last year's overall 137.33%. The daily chart shows a bullish trend in the short term, while the weekly time frame also shows a bullish trend in the mid-term. To sum up, this week offered a relatively fast performance with the exception of the Nasdaq. My overall outlook is that the US large cap and small caps, including the Canadian markets, are showing a bullish trend in the short term and also in the mid-term. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly market updates. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this week's market performance. See you next week with another market summary. Until then, trade wisely and stay informed.